So here we are. What happened is this, the left side, remember the difference in color? It just hadn't kicked, and that's why. So when I came back the next day, it's all the same color, so it's all good. It was just hadn't kicked yet. So now what I'm about to do is I got that 2x4, and I'm gonna cut a piece, the length for the outside of the boat, and I'm gonna cut a piece from the center of that to the center of that, and I'm gonna get the all thread and get it all set up so that when I mix a batch of peanut butter, I'm gonna fill that and attempt to put peanut butter in both of these ones at the same time. It is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to do it, and we'll see. I'm probably gonna mix up three quarts. I know that's pretty ambitious, but hey, here we go. Let's do it. Okay, I was gonna try to do both sides, but I'm here by myself, so looks like it's gonna be one side at a time. I'm going to clean everything up with acetone, and then I'm gonna get busy. Here we go. Okay, I got everything all wiped down. About to go mix up a batch and come back and get busy. You know, I didn't get the clampage I wanted. I got a little spot I got to go over right there. It all came out real good. I mean, I'm real happy. I'm real happy with the way it came out, except for that one spot. I need to put a dab of peanut butter right there and get that nice rolling effect. Just in that one little spot. This just acted like a total ass. I could not, for whatever reason, I could not get that to squish out. I couldn't get it tight enough. I didn't want to tighten too much on my transom. It's nice and tight, and I finally got it to squish out by sticking that extra board in there. Probably should have waited until either Scott got home. I gotta go pick up my son from school today. I think he's gonna come over and help. But I probably should have waited for one of them. But Shell, I'm so impatient. I want to get this boat done, and every minute that I have to spare is gonna be towards seeing that through. So it's not bad. I'm gonna have to go around it with another fillet all the way around that piece, and then I'm gonna put in this piece when I get back from picking up my son. So overall, though, I'm happy. It's just the little things, the little unexpected things. Like I had no idea that wasn't gonna. This setup wouldn't give that enough pressure to push that against the hole the way I wanted it. But I mean, it's on there and it's tight. I pushed it with my hand and I couldn't squish it. I couldn't squish it any more than it is. So that's good. If I push it by hand, I can't budge it. So that's tight enough for me. I just have to go in with and make some better fillets. And that's not too much big of a deal. And then I found out how to fill. I don't know if you guys remember. I was asking you about all these little holes in the back of my transom. I found out that you have to fill up, in order to fill these holes, you have to fill it from, anytime you have a hole in fiberglass, you have to fill it from the inside and fill it from the outside. So all these holes, not the top holes, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to use those, but all these holes from old electronics or old whatever, what have you, these two over here on the left side, those two holes, I covered one of them with the peanut butter. There was one there and one somewhere around in here. They are for, I believe, the speedometer. And I'm thinking about filling this like with peanut butter, and then this whole little thing right here. That way, when I drill out a new hole for the new speedometer, I got new gauges for the new speedometer. The paddle wheel thing that goes on the outside, there's no way water can get through at that spot. So that's another thing that I need to address and take care of. And then I dropped some damn tools in my work. Oh man, it was crazy. I gotta go by Harbor Freight. I gotta go by Harbor Freight and pick up some plastic deals here, because I don't have any more, and using that is a little bit of a challenge, using the metal one. I don't know why, if it's psychosomatic or what, but to me the plastic works a lot better. So anyway, let me go pick up this boy, and I'll see you guys later. I went all the way across town to pick up my son. He didn't want to come work on the boat. He wanted to go play World of Warcraft. So dropped his butt off to play World of Warcraft, and I'm over here working on the boat. I made this part of it I framed up a couple days ago, and then before I went to go pick up the boy, I peanut buttered these pieces in, man. Actually, it's working out pretty good, man. Shoot, I might not never use glue again. Shoot, I use peanut butter for everything. It's a little top swervy. I gotta admit, it's a little top swervy, but if you grab it from the bottom and pull it, it pulls right along, no problems. I do have to, next time I mix a batch of peanut butter to do the fillets in the boat, I'm gonna put some here and underneath, there underneath, and underneath there, and underneath there, just because it is a little top heavy. I don't want no big wing to come along. But to serve my needs, it's gonna work.